This is the last house update that we are going to film in 2019. When does this house need to be done?
It needs to be done by February 5th.
February 5th. And we are heading out of town for 2 weeks. We're leaving. And it's over Christmas, it's over New Year's, and so I think a lot will get done because we only have like a month and a half until this house has to be complete. But at the same time, it's the holidays, and how many subcontractors work on the holidays? Not as many. We want to go through and show you all of the updates of where it's at right now and all the things that have been done. And then the next update that you'll see after this video will be 2 weeks later. So how much can these guys get done in 2 weeks over the holidays? You're about to see, and this is the baseline. And there's been some really exciting things that have happened. Outside, what's something that's happened? Can we show people?
Walkway.
Okay,
we have a walkway, yeah.
Oh, okay, sorry.
We have a driveway that's completely
We've showed them the driveway and it's completely finished. It does have white marks all over it. What is that, Leslie? Why does it look so old?
They say it's calcium, so
is it gonna do that all the time?
I don't know, I'm hoping not.
But check this out. Beautiful pavers all the way up to the house.
This has been here since like
day one.
Day one.
It feels like it.
Framework.
Okay, and then right here it looks like a bunch of rain gutters are going in.
Yeah.
Is that what those are? You chose white?
Awesome.
Are you happy with them?
Yes, we chose white because black would just kind of stick out a little bit too much, I think. Yeah.
Claire, how many times have you been inside the front door?
0.
Go through it. Get in there.
You can go through it now?
Go in it, yeah.
You can.
Well, maybe it's locked now. We've been through it a few times. Maybe somebody must have locked it. All right, Lincoln, go around and unlock the door. We want to go in the front door for the first time.
Ooh, that's a heavy door.
Welcome to your home.
Oh.
First time through the door.
They
Heavy
have
door.
the trim up.
Yep.
It's not painted, but they have the trim and all the floor. Oh my God.
And yes, guys, we decided to go with wood floor all in the entryway. We read a lot of your comments. We talked about it a lot, and wood just makes the most sense. Check this out. We've got this wood right there that will be painted what color?
It's gonna be
Black?
No, this is gonna be white.
Oh, but okay. And then up in here, they also put some up in the top, a bunch of trim. It's all over the place, all around the big window. We've got trim, that looks so good. And then the wood floor, it's almost done in this entire room. It goes from this line all the way over. It's covered up right now to protect it. Not really. Why don't you show us?
Yeah,
So
cabinets.
excited. It's so beautiful. We decided to do a darker island and then we'll have a light marble top. And then we have this nice putty color. The only thing I didn't really plan very well was how short I am. So it's like,
Oh my gosh. You can only reach.
one, barely. But
My responsibilities as a father have just gone up exponentially because of my height. That's okay, I'll help out.
I'm so short. But the good news is we have this shelf. This is where I'm just gonna put plates, like things that you use all the time. And then we have one over there as well. And then we have lots of good holes and stuff. This is the fridge and this is the freezer. So they're huge panels.
This looks really nice.
I'm so happy with it.
As far as the pool goes outside, we're still at the same step. Nothing has changed. The pool guys have been meaning to come out and fix it, and then it rains, and then they had a couple other projects they were working on, and then one of their machines broke down. So it's just kind of been this like every couple days a new process where it's taking longer and longer. So they moved really, really fast for the first like week or so, and then they've kind of disappeared for a bit. Hopefully they can get it done because we can't do any of the concrete around the pool until they've done some of the inside, I can't remember what they call it, it's like concrete stuff inside of the pool. It's crunch time, but they're in charge of all of the landscaping, so if they're not super stressed about taking longer on the pool, then I'll try not to be stressed because they said they'd get it done, so we're good. This room right here, the pantry, does have whoa, it does have cabinets. Black ones over here, and then what do you call that color?
Putty. I'm calling it putty.
Putty color, okay.
This place has so many.
Oh, they even put more in.
So here's the bathroom. Last time we showed you, or sorry, the laundry room. Last time we showed you, we had the floor right here, but look at this. Big old room.
That'd be so great.
So many cabinets.
I love it.
Wow.
I'm excited to do laundry. And then we have built-ins over here.
Ooh, this is really nice in the hallway. Tons
So,
of built-ins.
These two are really special because these are just gonna be for your shoes.
My shoes
and
or
hats.
Lincoln's shoes?
Your shoes.
My shoes.
Shoes and hats right here,
Wow.
or even right here.
Wow, I need some more shoes.
No, you
Yeah.
don't need more shoes. You have plenty. Let's see.
Master
They
bedroom.
Really changed. Actually, they finished more of the tile in here.
Yeah, so the tile is pretty much all done on this one part, and it looks good. Ooh, and they're putting in some more cabinetry in here.
Yes.
Tripping on stuff, but check it out. It's kind of dirty right now, but you can see it's all the way in. Still haven't done anything with the shower yet. They're gonna be working on that soon with the drain and with the shower and the rain shower. Here's the closet right here for the guest bedroom. Wow, the guests are gonna have lots of stuff.
I know.
That's nice. You can stay with us for months and months. Guests,
3 days.
come
3
on
days.
by. No, 3 days and then you can stay for life.
What do you think about your closet?
Yeah, I got cabinets.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this is where Lincoln's gonna put his 3 pair of shoes, and then all my shoes will go in my own closet.
No, we measured it out. You should be able to put 20 pairs of shoes in here.
20?
Yeah.
Nice.
So you'll have, well, your feet are, yeah, 2 on each. So 20 shoes. That's plenty.
20 pair, that's great. Okay, we need a little bit of an update for you guys on one thing that has been highly controversial in the comments section. Lincoln,
Yes.
when we were here last time, we had a very muddy house and your shoes got so
Oh
wrecked.
no, they didn't get destroyed.
What did we do with them?
Oh, Mom washed them and now they're fine.
Yeah, so
Those
it's
are
okay,
my,
guys.
Those are my shoes that like I go hiking in and stuff. Like those
Yeah.
are the shoes that get dirty and then you can just clean them off.
Yeah, we didn't just throw them away. We
No.
put them in a bag, we took them home, Leslie cleaned them, and those are actually shoes. Where did you get those shoes?
Casey Neistat gave those shoes to me.
Those Adidas shoes were from Casey.
Yep, they're
so,
James Harden's.
so we wouldn't just destroy them and throw them away. We keep them. Okay, this is London's room.
This is gonna be a window bench all along here so she can sit and read.
Why is there space up there?
So they had to move this. Our vent was in the wrong spot for the built-in, so they had to cut it out and then move it so it could actually have airflow.
If you come inside of their bathroom, check it out. Check it out, look at all of the cabinets inside of there. So Leslie, one thing that we talked about in one video with those mistakes that have happened in our
Yes.
house. One of them we said the toilet space seemed really weird over there. Look where the toilet is. Like I feel like the toilet's probably gonna come out to here. There's no door on this thing. We've learned a few extra things about this bathroom that are not so great.
Initially, we had the doors coming in this way, so both the doors open and basically covers the toilet. And it's super awkward in here. It's just a really awkward space. So then we said, no, we have to switch the doors. So at least we're opening into the closets, but still it's not.
Are we gonna have doors on the closets?
No, there's no doors on
So
the
at least that, but it's
closets.
weird though, because when you open the door,
Yeah,
It
just
covers it.
And initially I thought we had doors on here, but we don't. So this is kind of like free. They can come so they can see their master, or not their master, they can see their bathroom from their bedroom always.
yeah. This is the biggest miss of our entire design of our house, is that this bathroom space, a Jack and Jill bathroom, great idea to have the closets right there, great idea to have the separate vanities, but it's just squished. We need it to be bigger, wider, longer, something, because the doors are huge and they just open up and it's really awkward in there with doors.
If we could have done pocket doors, it wouldn't have been an issue.
Yeah, if you slide them in, but even that, it's like,
Yeah.
really, can we not make it a bigger space? We designed this home from scratch. Of course, there's going to be things that don't necessarily work out, but
It's still great though.
our architect, he did a really good job at this house, but if there's one thing that he missed the mark on, it's definitely this Jack and Jill bathroom. I wish that he would have thought through it a little bit more, because yeah, if we ever built this house again, we would definitely reconfigure that bathroom because it is so awkward and tight.
So for Claire, we decided to do built-ins here. She's really sentimental and has she likes to collect books and cute stuff. So this will be on here. And then this is a little desk area. And then just more storage and we'll put art up there.
Where would
So,
the bed go?
Right here, right in the middle.
Nice. Your room looks beautiful, Claire. I love that wood paneling. Do you like it?
Yeah.
And it's your favorite color, putty color.
Well, we're thinking of doing wallpaper in the back.
Ooh, that'd be cute.
So like there's this Robin's egg, kind of like Tiffany blue wallpaper we're thinking, but not sure yet.
It's amazing the difference some cabinets can make and storage spaces. It makes the home not feel as big and like expansive and just, I don't know, it just felt like this big open space. Now it's starting to come together, feel a little tighter and feel more like a home just with those few things. So cabinets, the pool, nothing there. Cabinets are really moving forward. The wood floors, by the time we get back, they probably will be done with the entire wood floor in the whole house. I hope so.
Countertop should be in. The sinks are already being fitted, so all like the plumbing, all that stuff should be moving along. So much that has to happen in the next 5 weeks. It's incredible. Like I'm stressed out, but I'm not the one building and designing it. So they're doing a great job and it'll get done. It has to get done by the 5th, so.
There's one thing that I wanted to show you guys. If you remember back a few videos ago, I was at the end of the video. If you watch to the end of our video, sometimes we throw little funny things at the end. Well, we went up to this space, and ever since this house was framed, which was probably 4 months ago, somebody decided they didn't want to go out to the outhouse that we pay for to go to the bathroom, and they got a Coke bottle and they peed in it. Well, here we are months later.
Oh, it's standing up now.
It's still here. We have this bottle of somebody's
This was
urine.
here when they framed it.
Yeah, I just said
The
that.
first time we came up here.
So there we go. Share a Coke with an Ohio State fan. There's a bottle of pee. Yeah, the papers look awesome from here, other than they're super white and weird looking.
That doesn't really bother me that
Oh,
much.
it bothers me so bad.
So
It is
bad.
so bad,
It's-
yes.
yeah.
I cannot stand it. Whenever I see the red brick walls from the rain, they get all that calcium built on it. I'm like, oh, that's cheap. That's one of the reasons why we wanted to go with these white fences in this neighborhood, because it's not gonna have that white calcium that builds up on it. And so when you pay almost double of what concrete is, you would anticipate that it would look a lot better. But within a week of putting it in, it looks like it's 30 years old. And that's like, oh no, why did we pay more for that? And it does that. So I messaged the landscaper and our builder, and they both texted me and said, we'll pressure washer it, the calcium will be gone and it'll be fine. My only concern is, which I haven't asked them yet, is it always going to do this whenever it rains? Do we have to get a pressure washer out and clean off all the calcium? There's also sand down inside of all the cracks. You remember when they took that sand machine and pushed it down, and if I went through with the pressure washer, I'd be worried that I would do it improperly and all the sand would come up and then it wouldn't be the proper way, or it's, I don't know. So, little concerned about that one. Want to see our garage? We got something really cool inside of the garage.
What do we have? I don't even know.
Garage door.
Check it out, garage doors. Let me show you from the outside.
When we walk out, the lights went on.
Dun, dun, dun. Black garage doors. We don't have one. Oh, we do have one on there. It's just not closed. But yeah, look at that garage doors. The thing that I love about it the most, let me show you this. I've always wanted this for a garage door. Whenever you open somebody's garage, typically they are so loud. Watch this. Oh, look at that. It's not even loud.
That is fantastic. I have not heard that yet.
It's so quiet.
It is quiet.
It's like the quietest garage door. And look where the actual motor is. It's right here. It's like backup battery. Looks like it has Wi-Fi so it can be connected. It's a LiftMaster one, but it's all right here. There's not this big old chain going along the ceiling that goes across. It's just right there and it's just nice and quiet. That's such a cool garage. And then right here, we'll put the Tesla superchargers or Tesla destination chargers right there, but it looks awesome. One thing I thought was interesting is these guys are cutting the wood in here. Look at the wall. It's like destroyed from wood. Are you concerned by that?
No, they'll
No.
fix it. I'm not concerned at all.
Okay, what's the last update for this video today?
Retaining wall. Oh, that's gonna be a big retaining wall.
Retaining wall, that's it. That's the retaining wall.
No, that's not.
That's done.
No, it's not.
Yeah, that's it.
What do you mean?
That's the retaining wall, it's done.
Really?
Yeah.
Where's the fence then?
The fence is not a retaining wall.
I know it's not a retaining wall, but where's the fence going? Remind me.
The fence will be, okay, so here's what we've got. Let me come out here a little bit. Maybe I'll fly the drone so you guys can see it better. But this is a retaining wall that goes all the way over here. Our house is around 3 feet taller, well, the dirt is, than our next door neighbors. And so the person that has the higher dirt property is required to put in a retaining wall so that dirt and water and all that stuff doesn't fall onto the other person's property. Makes sense. Our neighbors were very particular on what they wanted from our retaining wall, so we let them have a lot of input and kind of decide how our retaining wall goes. And so it's a little different than what you would usually do. If you look along this line, you can see that it goes straight for a while. That should be, see if I can show you, the west side, the left side of this wall right there should be the line of our property. So their property starts on the other side of that retaining wall. But then you can see about 70% into it, it cuts out 2 feet and comes down here. So it's kind of unique that it cuts out this way because 2 feet of our retaining wall is on their property. It cuts 2 feet into their property. And the whole reason why is because if you think about it, we've got like 3 foot, 4 foot tall retaining wall. Then we're going to put the white fence on the other side of it, not on top of the retaining wall, but just next to it on our side of the property. But what our neighbors were thinking is when they back out of their driveway or when they pull into their driveway, they don't want to see a 3 foot tall retaining wall and then see a fence pretty much on top of that. So you've got like a 10-foot wall right there. But then what they're going to do is have dirt in this area and put some planter boxes in there. So hopefully that'll soften the 10-foot wall so it won't feel like it. It'll feel like they're gonna stucco this retaining wall also, and then they'll put some bushes along here, and then it'll just look like a nice wall with some bushes, and then 2 feet back from it, a fence will go up, like 2 feet, 8 inches, I guess, the fence will go up. So that's kind of what they were thinking, and for us, we're like, all right, if you wanna do that, that works. We still paid for the retaining wall, and it looks great. I feel like it's a lot of progress that's happened since we filmed our last video, and I can feel the pressure, and I can feel the subcontractors and everybody like coming here and working. Some days we'll have like 15 people that are here just working on stuff. It's a Saturday right now, and you've got guys bringing in tile, and you've got guys doing the rain gutters. Our dream home is coming together. We've almost got it all done. I hope you guys are enjoying these updates and the progress. Pretty soon we're gonna have a house that's done, and then no more house videos. Kind of sad. I've enjoyed this, and we're gonna go back for years and watch these videos and see what we did. We are ready to go to Australia for 2 weeks, and then we will let you know what this house looks like afterward. I'm really excited to see what it looks like. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a fantastic 2020. Set some goals. Let's make it a great year.
Let's go to Australia now.
Okay, so here we go. You gotta see our car.
It's so packed.
There's our car. There's Claire with their fancy Liberty Beats 2 Pro headphones that we did the video on. And then we've got golf clubs right here. Bags. Lincoln is like hiding back there. Hi, Lincoln. There's London over here. We've got a giant suitcase right here. And then the frunk has stuff in it too. It's full.